Who says looking fabulous has to take all morning? In a world that never stops moving, low maintenance short hair is the ultimate power move. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today we are counting down the best shortcuts that look incredible with almost zero effort. Let's reclaim your time without sacrificing your style. First up is the Texture Pixie. This cut is designed to work with your hair's natural wake-up state. With the right layers, you don't even need a brush, just a teeny bit of styling cream, a quick toss with your fingers, and you're out the door looking edgy and intentional. Next, we have the blunt one length bob. Because the hair is all the same length, it falls into place naturally. It's the perfect choice for fine or straight hair. No complicated layering means no complicated styling. It's sleek, professional, and looks expensive even on your bestest days. If you want to go even shorter, the tapered undercut is game changer. By keeping the back and sides very short, you remove 90% of the styling work. All the focus stays on the top, giving you a sharp modern silhouette that stays in place from morning until night. Short hair, don't care, life is too short. For difficult hair, which of these low maintenance style catch off your eye? Let me know in the comment. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy style inspiration. See you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.